What's up, guys? It's Kendall. It's day 13 of 100 Days of Code. Day 13. Amazing to think. And we're on uh, weekend 2 of School of Code Bootcamp. So we're past week 2, and now we're on the weekend. So the weekend, it does mean a little bit of rest, but it also means we continue to code. We continue to keep calm and carry the code on. Carry the code on. Keep calm. Carry the code on. So, 100 days of codes. We've committed to that. We've committed to doing 100 days of code for 100 days. Believe it or not, yes. And we're doing it by video blog. You know it. Not text, not journal. Video journal, the way of the future, baby. So that way we can sort of I like it because it's sort of one of those things. I decided video because video is the way we do things now, right? Video is the way people engage with the world. Video is just, it's easier to do, in my opinion. It's sort of, I can see my expressions. I can see, look, how I'm feeling. I can see my mood. You can see sort of who I am. All these sort of things, I feel like I can communicate those things so much better through this medium. That's why I chose video. Is it easy? I think it's easy, but not everybody thinks that's the case. But anyways, I love this medium. I'm loving the journey. I had a great tweet from Blake Lawrence. Shout out to Blake, who's basically, just saying, wouldn't it be amazing when you can look back at the journey and you can look back at this video blog and video journey, what you're doing. So I'm really looking forward to that. So anyways, that aside, thank you very much for your comments. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your retweets, all these different things. So 100 days of code. This is a commitment that I made. And what is 100 days of code? 100 days of code means that 1, you code 1 hour a day. 2, you keep yourself accountable publicly, which I'm doing here. 3, you connect with the community of Twitter. And 4, you keep a daily log of your emotions and feelings. So today, coding 1 hour a day. What have I been up to? Well, every week at the School of Code, we're given recap tasks, things to cement in our minds all the things we've gone through this week and really just solidify them and not let our brains and our muscle memory get lazy because, that could happen, right? I mean, I'm a family man. I'm a dad. I got kids. I got a wife. Got responsibilities outside of School of Code, right? And outside of the days of hundreds of, and I got every reason not to do this blog. I got every reason not to do my recap task. But you know what? We keep what did I say? We keep coding on. We keep calm and we code on. We keep calm and we code on. That's what we keep doing. We keep calm and we code on. You know what? Baby cries. We keep calm. We code on. Pooey nappy, we keep calm, we code on. Things get a little tough, we keep calm and we code on. So, what did we do today? Today we did some recap tasks for week 2 of School of Code. And so we did such things as use task1 as write a function. We basically, it takes in the name, the string name as its only arguments. And then we will return a new string, which includes the name plus the words is now a legend, right? So for example, it talked about if we put in input Chris into the function, it says Chris is now a legend, for example. The next thing is then we use a for loop and the make legend function, and we create a new array, which includes is now a legend. So anyways, we did some things like that. We also did some things where we used some of the knowledge of click interval and set interval and those sort of things from the different things we've been doing with counts. And also we've been using APIs, a cat API. Whoop, 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 whoop. So big love to cats. So we're basically fetching an API and then we're using that API to display cat images and to create a button. So when we click on it, it then does what we want it to do. And then there's lots of bonus functions, but I've not got to the bonuses just yet. I've done task 1, 2, and 3. So we've done those, hit them up, and then I think we might hit the bonuses tomorrow. So anyways, what were my thoughts and feelings about sort of today and started doing that coding. Well, my wife's been a little bit unwell, so it's been a little bit. So I've been looking after the kids, so it's a little bit more of a battle. But I've still been able to manage my 1 hour and maybe a little bit more. Been a little bit more work because I've had housework and chores and those sort of things to do on top, and taking care of kids and all the good stuff that goes with that, all the beauty, giving baths and all that sort of stuff. But my thoughts are, is you keep taking right action, right? You just keep doing it. You keep showing up. You keep the discipline, right? You keep calm and you code on. So that's what we've been doing today. And I feel like, everything's really clicking into place. I feel like, still a few little hiccups here or there, like, sort of with the, I think it was task 1. I still got to polish off a little bit with the sort of, pushing to the array, and with that for loop. There's a couple things I need to brush up a little bit, but I'll get them done. I'm sort of thinking things through, and then the baby would start crying, and then I'd have to stop what I was doing and but I made some good plans. And so we got to say my plans are getting good. My thoughts and feelings, our plans are getting really good. They're getting better and better. And I think, as the old saying goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. But you know what? If you plan to succeed, right? So here's the thing. Here's what we're going to do, guys. This Saturday, we did our 1 hour code. We did some of our recap tasks. How am I feeling? I'm feeling beautiful, right? Beautiful. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling confident. Tomorrow's going to lead to more coding. We're going to do more. It'll be day 14 tomorrow, but day 13 of 100 days of codes. We did it, baby. We did it. Even though there were barriers, there were challenges, there was a lot we had to do, but we did it. So I encourage each one of you, no matter what you face, today, whatever you do, keep calm and code on. Peace out, my brothers and my sisters and all my peoples who are coding out there. Keep calm and code on. Until next time, guys. See you later.